Hello again, students. We are now on our 8th lesson, and this song is a little, like I mentioned last time in my previous videos, it goes harder and harder and harder. The pieces get harder and harder every day. Every time. Yeah, I think we can start first. The usual thing that we do, we start first with the right hand. You ready? Okay. So the position is still the same. So it's still on do, right? The right hand is still on middle do. Left hand is still on the next do below, with the C and then F. Okay. C and G and then F. All right. Okay. So let's try the right hand first. Do, 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 re, mi. Okay, so this one is a little fast. Do, do, like that. Okay, so let's try it again. Do, 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 re, mi. Get it? Alright, so that's the first line, and then let's try the second line. Mi, re, do, mi, do. Hold. Okay, so there's supposed to be hold there. Hang on. And then I think there should be hold also here. Okay, so let's try the second line again. Mi, re, mi, do, hold. And then let's go forward. Mi, fa, so. Got it? And then fa, mi, hold. Do, re, mi, re, do, mi, do, so, do, re, mi, re, do, mi, do, hold. Okay? So that's the full thing, okay? So let's try it again one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, 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 re, mi, re, do, mi, do, hold. Mi, fa, so, fa, mi, hold. Do, re, mi, re, do, mi, do, so, do, re, mi, re, do, mi, do, hold. Got it? Alright, so let's try it again with the beat, okay, with the rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. Do, 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 re, mi, re, do, mi, do, hold. Mi, fa, so, fa, mi, hold. Do, re, re, do, mi, do, so, do, re, re, do, mi, do, hold. Got it? Alright. So that is the right hand. Now, let's try now both hands without the beat first. Okay? Ready? So C's there, G's here, and F is here. Alright, 1, 2, ready, go. Do, 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 re, mi, re, do, mi, do, hold. Mi, fa, so, fa, mi, hold. Do, re, do, mi, do, so, do, re, re, do, hold. Okay, so if you can see, there's a green G there. It's optional, so you can put it there, or you can play that, or you can also skip that. Okay. Alright, so let's try out with the beat now. 2, ready, go. Do, 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 re, mi, re, do, mi, do. Hold. Mi, fa, so, so, fa, mi, fa, so, mi. Hold. Do, do, re, mi, re, do, mi, do. So, so, do, do, re, mi, re, do, mi, do. Got it? Very good. Okay, so again, you can rewind this. You can rewind as much as many as you can, so that you can master, the right hand. So I think you need to make sure that you are confident with the right hand first before you try out the both hands. Okay, so yeah, that's the usual practice. That's the usual routine, and you can also slow down the video so that you can put it on 0.75 if you want. Okay, anyway, so again, see you again next video, and yeah, hope you learned from this piece today. Okay, again, subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to you will be notified of the new videos every time. Okay, turn on the notification. All right, bye bye kids, bye bye students. Sorry, have a nice day. Bye bye.